purchase odoo Magento 2 Connector Pro, you need to follow the installation documentation, and there is a good video that describing how to install an odoo SH. Link is here, and I will show you how to do this. So first of all, when you purchase a module, you will have 3 modules that will be downloaded: integration, Magento 2, and QJob. I have prepared an empty odoo SH instance right now that is connected to my repository. So what I will do, I will put these modules in this repository. Next thing, what you need to do is to go inside integration module, copy requirements text file. It will contain the necessary libraries that need to be installed. That is it. So now we add this items to repository. And push it. Now rebuild have started. So the next important thing will be to install those modules on the database. Here is documentation that helps to understand. So after while we are waiting for the installation, let's check. It can take some time depending on the peak hours. You can after installation you will need to add special configuration on odoo SH, but let's wait until the process will finish. Okay, you see that update has started. Okay, so the installation successfully finished. We can click connect. Now we need to enter a debug mode. You can enable it either from settings menu or from URL. You click update. So we see that there is a Magento 2 module that now can be installed. While installation is finishing, let's refresh the screen. So now you in parallel can go and connect to the shell. You can see that module was installed successfully. E-commerce integration, there is also job queue module that installed successfully. So now we can proceed with the shell. So what we do, we copy this path, edit it, and enter these details in the file. Next thing we are going to do, we are going to copy the host. You see that we are copying without HTTPS, then we save. And now we click restart on odoo. Okay, that is it. Now we are done, and we can proceed with further installation.